Alright, so here you can see our new version. First of all, I will start with the first module. We have a lot of modules, the module related to the website. Here you can see we have two kind of website, the basic one with the basic details and definitely the off-plan auto updates. But in the premium website, we have a very premium look with the AI search filters as per your own choice, mortgage calculator, and a lot of things which you can get from us. So first of all, this is the home page. You can see like whatever the template video which you want, we will add that as per your own choice. The theme, color, design, whatever you want, everything will be customizable. Even the language and multiple language more than this we can add as well. So whatever the amount you will put over here, so the calculator will give the output. So basically this will be for those people who will visit your website when you will run any kind of campaign. Why RM is providing such kind of a website? We are the only one in the whole market, just because these kind of website are giving you an edge, a major edge, to generate some quality leads. Like mostly companies are using this because of the main reason is basically, even if your leads are coming from any other you can say social media source, they will definitely try to visit your website if the content is updated over there. Let's suppose this is the off-plan section. You can see over here the map, the search filters, these can be also modified. And we have a complete database with 2000 plus off-plan projects. Whatever the number you want, you can make sure like you can add that number as per your own choice. You can see the project details. Even in the detail, what kind of content you want, that you can also customize. Even all the cities you can see over here. So we are not only handling Dubai, we are updating the projects around the whole UAE. You can see that as well. Also ready properties and rental section is also available. Any other page you want, so relevant page, because we have rich experience in building real estate websites, so you can get that. Also I will show you the AI which will work. Normally people ask some common questions. For example, I'm asking from this AI, okay, give me a suggestion of off-plan projects to invest in Dubai Marina. So whatever the location, whatever the thing you will ask, the common things which mostly people ask, so they can actually search over here and the output will come in front of them. If that data is available, if those projects you have been updated and you are working into that, definitely it will come like this. You can see that, so output will be there. And if they will open any project, so for the details they can also see those details will be all the pictures or the video, whatever you want to add over here. Also the starting price and other basic details. You can see the number of bedrooms, area, definitely the completion date, and this description, this title you can modify as per your own SEO if you want to do that, because we will add the information which we are getting from the developers. We can see the payment plan, available units, and the amenities with all the pictures, definitely the location and nearby places as well. And in terms of that, if you want to add more information over there or you want to remove, you can easily do that. Any query will come, so the person who will come over here, he will place the lead from any page, any project, and also that will be get into the CRM that I can show you as well. And if this form you can also see is also available from anywhere. If they want to connect with you, they can easily connect, and definitely our CRM will guide you for to manage that lead. So in terms of website, we are open to create a premium website for you guys as per you can see with AI, with other things, and even the design as well, the way you want. So the only reason is your company website should look premium and will give a you can say suggestion, or you can say the image of a premium company in mind of the person, the investor who will visit your website. And other amendments you can also do that. Let's talk about the off plans. So now here you can see 2200 plus off-plan projects we have, and you and your team can search multiple filters. You can see other district, property type, price, bed, sales status, even the completion date, with the developer name, breakdown, payment breakdown. We have covered all the major developers, and you can see further filters as well, even the post handover there, whatever it is. You can easily search the project You can also show this in front of your client with doing some comparison as well. For example, this project, if you want to open in compare of this project any other one, or even 3 projects you can open at the same time as well, or 4, whatever. So that will be shown to you, and you can present this thing in front of the client as well. This is also possible. You can also see the unit list. You can also create a quick PDF as well by changing some information, currency, language, and this PDF will be fully customizable, and you can make it in your own company branding. So your company logo and contact details will be in the PDF, whoever will generate from your company side. Also in the map you can see the filters more, even the transport layers you can also see as well if you wanna see that. Moreover, we have an option to create multiple PDF presentation as well in a single file. For example, you want to add 2 project, 3 project, any other project like you want to add. So you can select from this search filter, and you can search the project and select. Then definitely the units you can add, and also you can change the placement of slides. You want to delete it, you can do that as well. At the end, you can add on the first page a welcome message for that guy whom you are going to share that PDF file. And multiple things available which you can amendment. You can see on my basically this page where I'm showing you the information. Now let's talk about the CRM. First of all, you can see this is the dashboard, but I think I will explain the dashboard and customize, where we have a lot of features in that. Whatever the activities and you can say the operations will be done with the lead, all you can set onto your dashboard. If you want, for example, you want to make sure like the every agent in your team should have separate dashboard, definitely you can customize it. And then you can see over here you can the recent activities, anything you want in the dashboard you can set customizable, even the reporting of your team member as well. I will come to this later on. Also, we have the off plan already told to you. Then we are also planning to add leasing option as well. Then you can see the calendar, your meetings and everything will be over here. After that, you can see the tasks. Whatever the task you want to create, you can create the task. You can assign the task, and your team member can assign the task to each other as well. And you can even control that access as well as the way you want to do that. And you can create some checklist as well, multiple checklist you can create if you want to do that like this. So this is also something you can get from us. Then the section of pipelines, where you can create the pipelines, where you can also distribute the leads the way you want to do that. For example, your leads are coming from Meta, you want to select few agents for the Meta, and then you want to make sure how the lead should distribute it. So all team members, first responder, round robin you can see, and manual assignment is available. And in the round robin you can also set a reassign time if nobody is responsive to that lead. That is something you can also get. That first responder will be like lead notification will go to everybody, but the guy who will respond to the lead first in terms of call or messaging, the lead will auto reassign to that specific person, and other people will not able to see that in their accounts. And manual assignment, definitely the admin or the CEO will do this basically by himself. Every lead will go to the admin account. So this is also something. And whatever the automation you will run, whether it's any campaign for calling or email or WhatsApp, those campaigns will be over here. In the leads part, you can see these are the leads, and you can create these stages and status according to your own way. On the top, color, everything you can customize. Every column you can add, every column you can change, delete, whatever you want to do. Multiple filters available, like you can also set the leads temperature as well. Like you can set, for example, if lead is you can say any hot lead or warm lead or cold lead. So hot lead will be considered whom your team member is connecting on daily basis, or after 2 days, those days you will also set. Cold lead will be considered if someone will not connect to any lead till 30 days, so that lead will be a cold. And warm also you can set any time, any day, any days as well. So also your team, your agents and all the pipelines, according to that you can filter the basically leads by their name, email, also some notes as well. Even you can see we have a calling option as well. We have the VoIP services where your team can do the calls from your company number as well. You need to provide us the same and we will actually do that. And also the call recording and every status, everything will be over here into the CRM. And for the calling, we have a separate section that is called data leads. For example, you have multiple team members and they are doing the call, so you can set a minimum and maximum range of leads assignment. For example, there are 5 people and you want each individual should receive maximum only 20 leads from the database which you will update over here. So those leads should be into this system before. Once it will be done, and then after that, for example, maximum you will set the number of 20, and then each person will receive that, and whoever will use the 21st, then new leads will assign to that guy. And every record, how much time they spend on the call, everything will be also shown to you over here. This is the templates and media where you can create the email template, WhatsApp template, and other templates as well, because we have the process where you can send the bulk emails as well. Email marketing you can completely manage from here as well. Status and tags you can create from this system as per your own way. As I mentioned before, you can also do that. WhatsApp marketing over here, you can see this is the option where from the API of WhatsApp business, actually you can send the bulk messages through WhatsApp. Once API will be integrated, we will give you this interface where you can send the bulk messages through WhatsApp, and you can create the template you want to do that, and you can give the conversation access to all of your team members as well in case you want to do that, or any specific person. That is something you can do it from here as well. Like if you want to send the message to 1,000 people or more than that, you can do from this WhatsApp marketing. Email marketing, completely you can send the emails in bulk, definitely hundreds and thousands of emails from your own account you need to integrate over here. Also, you will also get the report, how many emails open, how many the bounce rate, whatever it is will be also shown to you. And you can set the email sequence as well, like first day this email, first email to send to all the people, then follow will be done after 2 days, 3 days, whatever it is. Now there is another option of secondary over here. You can see this basically have all the listings of those people who are updating our REM system. You can see like the people are updated, and last 30 days listing will be shown to you, the number over here, not more than that. So how secondary management we are doing that, basically whenever you guys will update your inventory over here as a single broker or as an agency, all the listing you can shift to your website, Property Finder, Bayut and Dubisel, if you have those portals, if you have those access of those accounts. So if you want to do that from this portal, you can do easily, okay? And your team member will also can do the listing, but approval will be done by the admin. And the second option is A2A connection. That is our system name, that is called AI Matchmaker feature. How the Matchmaker feature works, basically this is simple. You just need to update your requirement, either it's a buy or sell, and the other person should update their requirement in opposite of that. Once requirements will match with the seller and buyer, you will be notified from our system automatically, like you have matching requirements in some specific percentage. You can connect each other for any kind of deal if you want to do that. And this is something which will also part of our CRM. Let me go inside the lead. For example, if I will open any lead and I want to add some details over here, over there, for example, this is the lead I just added, okay? And the lead came from any source. At that time there are some initial notes, overview, then there will be the matchmaker feature you can see over here as well. So if I will add any requirement over here, okay, what are the requirements this person is looking for, what are the details, I just need to add few random requirements, okay? So I will add some pricing as well. I'm just adding the random number and some area, size, whatever it is, and the location, definitely whatever the location or specific location you wanna add, you can add as well. And also any other information as per your own way, you can add that. Once requirements will be saved over here in the requirement section, you can see requirements are done. Then in the suggested properties, you will able to see those properties which you have been updated from this system from your own side, from your team, and you guys have your own listing, so you can immediately know, okay, we have this one. But if you don't, then you can open this section, and within the lead you will able to see all other people's properties which are being matched with your one, and with the percentage, everything you can see that. Okay, this is something you can also get from us as well. And if you want to make it interested, even if there is any distress deal, then that is also shown to you like this. So this is something you can also get from us. Also, there is a complete portion of distress deal into our secondary. You just need to click over here and you will able to see all the distress deals which are updated by our own brokers and users who are using our REM system, basically the other companies and the brokers. Okay, so this is something you can get, and also you can fetch the other properties into REM, and from REM to other system you can also send that. Moving to another feature, that is called developer contract. Actually, if you are not connected with any developer whom you want to make a registration, it is available into our system. Just select those developers and send the bulk email from here, and all that registration email will send to those developers as well. And the another option is the customized document creation. Actually, you can create your A2A form, tenancy form, some invoices, whatever you want to create. You just need to set some templates before. Okay, one time you need to make these fields and everything. Once you will create that according to those fields, actually you will make this template and you will create this one, and you can e-sign over here, and once you will do, and you can utilize it again and again and download in PDF file. Also, we will give you the option where you can also create your own off-plan projects into our system. You can create, you can add every detail, and you can download the PDF and you can send to the client. Let's talk about the lead report. So every kind of report will be also in front of you. You can download this report in a PDF file as well, like how many leads came, how many new leads, how many contacted, how many are uncontacted. Also the engagement part will be there as well. For example, for the calling and messaging, how many calls done on daily basis. You can select the range. You can also select who actually done those calls, who is the agent, who is from that team, everything. You will have these stats. And if you want these stats onto the dashboard, you just need to come over here and you will click onto this button, add to dashboard. Whatever information you want onto the front dashboard, you just need to come to that information and click over there, add to dashboard, and that information will be added into that dashboard, whatever you want. Okay, this is something you can customize as per your own. And the property, definitely how many properties you have, the event whole overview will be in front of you. Portal reports, individual portals like by you, Dubizzle, Property Finder, if they are integrated with our system, that report will be over here. Each individual agent report, their conversion, their calling, their messaging, every report in detail will be in front of you. Team report, pipeline reports, whatever the campaigns and pipelines you have, those reports will be also there. All major activities reports of your team, the tasks they will create, that report, how many tasks created, assigned and completed by the team and the individual, and any other custom report you want to manage, that you can also create your own, and that will be also shown to you over here. There will be the integration process. So I want to show you, basically these are the all integrations. This is social media, then automation integration, then website and forms integration, then the property portals. These are the property portals integration, and the advertisement on the Google ads, and definitely for the basically phone. For the calling, we have our own REM voice integration. You can see Zivo integration is also available. In case you want any other dialer, that integration is also available. We will do that. One last and most important thing is the WhatsApp AI bot. So for the lead management, lead conversion, we will give you this AI bot, and this bot will work like a human. You will scan your WhatsApp. Once we will give this chat bot to you guys. This will do two kind of work: lead qualification and lead qualification plus RAG. If it will come with the lead qualification only, so bot will only ask few questions which you will train accordingly, and lead will be qualified and unqualified and will come to the CRM accordingly. But if you want further stuff and details will be also shared from bot to your client, that will also come, like any context you want to give to the bot, you need to feed every information. Even in your own voice note, bot will also send the voice messages, replies as well. You need to record some messages in your voice, bot will detect that, and accordingly bot will send replies to that particular lead or client. You need to give your company info, you need to upload the documents, whatever you want, the follow-ups, the way everything you want, whatever behavior you want, the guidelines you want to give, and what kind of knowledge you want to give to that basically the bot. Those you need to upload over here, update the things, and bot will customizable and will work as per your own instruction. This is also something we can provide you, and you can utilize this bot from your own personal number, and your client will never have any kind of you can say clue like if was that a bot or you. And also the dynamic dashboard, I already explained to you, like you can customize the dashboard for each individual agent separately, like whom should basically the details are visible on the dashboard if someone is not in the sales or any other stuff he is doing. So if the information is not relevant to him, so he can see or he cannot see at that time, admin decide or super admin or CEO will decide what kind of information he should see on the dashboard. And other stuff are into the sport and everything is available over here. So this is the whole overview of our system. Hope you have the clear things. If you have any query, any question, you can ask me later on from my number. Thank you so much.